Hello, and welcome to my stream where I script the development of 3D mission editor for Operation Flashpoint. We are in part 37, and I'm really excited for today because one, I haven't done any real work in a while, and the second is that I prepared for the stream by doing some research on how the game works. Okay, so we are currently working on the script for reading add-on configs. It's taking a while because it's complicated. It's a lot, and not sure we're even in the half of it. But yeah, we just keep plowing through it, and that's what we're gonna do today. Just improving that script over and over. Hello, Xio Arma Mods. Who's that scary guy on your desktop? That's wait, what is it? Oh shit, I forgot his name. He's Grigory Zeski, I believe, the founder of Samara. Wait, I need to find out. I need to check. Prince Grigory. No. Zasekin. Oh, I forgot. Prince Grigory II. He founded Samara in like 14th or 15th century. That's a nice ornament, I have to admit. Alright, so let's go to it. Okay, we are unloading this thing, and actually we can just jump over it, so we don't need all that stuff for now. Wait, actually we can do this. We just jump straight to the reading add-ons. Okay. Our mod name is called Vanilla. I actually don't like the name Vanilla because it makes me think of food, and I don't want to be thinking of food at the moment. So we can come up with alternative name like original or stock. Thanks, dude. Stock or official. And the second thing is that we need to start with the illegal character. So Windows file names can't have question mark, and we need to like never conflict with custom mods, and we will never conflict by putting illegal character. Oh, that's a trick that I learned from Fwatch actually, because if you have noticed, all Fwatch command starts with a colon, and you can have a file name with a colon, which means the Fwatch commands will never be confused with real files. Well, that's a clever trick. Question, I think I'll be, yeah. So, how was your week? Okay, we're loading official, and then we want to load the config again. I just want to go through the config again. Being lazy and playing games. Nice, dude. I'm jealous. Oh wait, I can't do that. Okay. No, okay. We can't do that for now. Because we're using the string to save files. So I can't put anything illegal here for now. Yeah. Getting the most of my current unemployment. Nice. Being efficient. I like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should probably tweet about the stream. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, I need to check how the file looks. So last time I remember we had a bug. Let's see if we can do something about it. I was reading the config, and then I was reading the add-ons, and the information wasn't read correctly. Which is concerning. So that's why I'm doing everything from zero. All the processing from zero. Oh, wait, this is slow. Okay. Yeah, I need to do this. Maybe like, what's the width of a hint? Zero 0.2. Don't shot. Oh, sorry. I'm not showing the code. Nice. I need to get my what's it called? Streaming reflex. Get it back. Okay, so that's minus 1.2. That's gonna be 1.1. I'll just make it 1. Oh, that's too much because the widescreen. Okay, so calculator to the rescue. That's minus and then plus 0.2. But also there is spacing. The spacing is like 0.02. Okay. No, wait. I'm doing this wrong. Okay. Okay, so... Oh boy, I forgot. I need to check what was the... value for the edge of the screen. Okay, so that's 16. Okay, so we add width of the hint and then width of the space, and that gives us this value. And then we could memory recall, maybe plus. Memory remember, okay, so now we have one, no. Oh boy. Times 2, no. Times 2 plus 1 minus 0. Oh, I have memory, but I didn't use it. Nice. That gives us 127. Okay. Let's see how that works. Well, now the hint isn't blocked, which is nice. Alright, so we need to check what's the output. Yeah. So we did like the add-ons after the main config, and now no object was added. So what's going on? Why is this -1? We need to fix this bug. Okay, so to make it easier, I will just load a single add-on. Where is it? Yeah. So I will just load this. So that will be easier to debug. I'm checking Twitter and I see that Arma 3 people are retweeting me for some reason. I don't know, it's like... why? Not that I even saw them on stream. I don't get it, dude. Pretty sure they don't know either. Yeah, that seems like a likely explanation. Okay. Right, what I was doing? Okay, that's not good. We need to look at the function that is doing the searching. Heavy Grenadier Mine generic. Select class index. Why is it mine generic though? shouldn't split it in half because the font is big. Okay, I need to know what is the index. Maybe the index should be first thing. Okay. This is what we call the function, and we're passing the property that we want to find, and last item. Well, this could just be index, right? Let's check. Why is index? Oh, because, okay. Why is it mine generic? What? It's soldier EB. Okay, something's wrong here. It's mine generic. Why is it mine generic? Mine generic, huh? Hold on. Is the mine generic class somehow in this config? No, it isn't. but it probably is the last class in vanilla. Let's see. No, it's second last. Huh? Oh boy, I want to do something else. I don't want to spend 2 hours on this bug, especially that I don't have time to stream for long today, unfortunately. But this is something we need to fix, because we absolutely can't move on with this bug. You hit a wall? Not yet. Not yet. I'm just... at the moment I'm trying to find out what's wrong exactly. Save since. Okay. Save since and then select save. Oh my god. Why? Zero device. Yeah, okay, it's 0. I see, it's 0. So I have to do this. Arma 3 features into OFP. No. Alright. You shall not mod OFP, you shall buy Arma 3. Yeah, it's like Todd Howard, huh? Buy my game. Hold on a second. Alright, so what games did you play? Have you completed the Arid? Not yet. Okay, next thing. We can skip phase 2 totally. So, like... Goodbye. Okay, 338 is mine generic. 339 is heavy grenadier. Oh. And it seems like it's saved correctly now, just because... Yeah, it's saved correctly. Okay. So... that means we're doing something here that we shouldn't. I've picked up Project Windman on Hangul. It's a very arcade combat flying game. It's Bane of Ace Combat. I have no idea what that is. Hello, Miguel Lira. Project Wingman. This looks like hawks. Similar to the games you've played, Battlefield 4. 3 friends won this game. Let OFP die. Maybe someday. But not today. Okay, so we are doing something in phase 2 that is a problem. Are you like somehow modifying one of these? Oh, we kinda are modifying. Let's see. Hello, bro, you are one of the last OFP YouTubers, Honorable. Actually, no. There are still some OFP videos, if you know where to look. So, for example, the Tupas clone is uploading stuff. And then there's the that Russian channel. That's uploading stuff as well. Oh, I need to find it. Hold on. Where is it? OFP RAS. Okay, that's a very uncomplicated name. But yeah, you have this channel that's uploading stuff. And then there's you have like this channel, the Raven Gaming, or a newbie. It's uploading stuff. And then there's the Tupas. So yeah, there are still people playing the game and uploading videos to YouTube. As for Aerith, as I mentioned before, the game takes a different turn story-wise in Act 2, and that kinda put me off. Okay. But is the gameplay the same? Wait. Do you turn into Lara Croft and you shoot dinosaurs into extinction? Imagine finding a dinosaur still alive and then the first thing that you do is shoot it in the face. So much for being archaeology. So much for being a scientist. Yo, Tupas, I never saw them before. I know that there's some mod of them in Nexus, but I've never downloaded it. Yeah, they have a mod that is like compilation of a lot of stuff. And apparently they play it on their server. And I know that the one in the Nexus is obsolete, so you have to go to their website and download the newest version from Google Drive. And then you need to use the unofficial patch to be able to load more add-ons, because they just added a shit ton of add-ons, which I personally do not recommend, but you know, that's their choice. I'm pretty sure they're loading every add-on in existence. I'm pretty sure PR mod is also a compilation of everything. And also requires 201. Escape hidden objects and objects without a model. So if scope is different from 2, the model is empty, then we resize an index. Wait, why are we doing this? Oh boy. PR is Polish resistance. I don't know why we're doing this, but we probably should not. these three. So like, we are removing this stuff? Absolutely not. Okay, let's see now. It seems that we are reading correctly, and then object list. Okay. Everything seems as it should be, so we are reading correctly. The bug is fixed, we can move on. Can move this. Why did I have this? That's so weird. I don't remember even what I wrote. Nice. Okay. It's also good to limit the amount of chats, because chat slows the game significantly. I mean, slows the loops. I don't think I added any extra chats, so it's fine. Okay. So we can load everything now. Wait, actually, no. Before we start loading everything, we can do some adjustments. So yeah, the source, which means from where the object came, is currently a numeric value, because I had the idea to use numeric values, but they get a little complicated when you start loading different stuff. I guess that's something that we could optimize in the future, but for now I'm just gonna turn it into a string, because that's going to be easier. But the problem with string, it's going to be slower when searching for stuff. I did the same thing with categories. Okay, so instead of addon ID, we're gonna save PBO name, and same here. Let's see. And there it is. That's the name of the addon. Not addon, PBO name. That gets important later, actually. I would put up a link, but YouTube doesn't allow. Wait, you don't have... You can't post links? Yeah. I'll need to look into it. To see if I can grant you a right to post links. Okay. I'm back and had some small connection problems. Okay, so you can't post links. I will need to look into like how to give you a right to do that. Or like, I don't know. Are there some options here? I have no idea. You guys are from Eastern Europe? Yes. Yeah, but can you post it yourself? I don't think anyone can see Miles when he comments with links. Did you post one right now? Oh yeah, I can't see it, so... 6:46. Yeah, I don't see anything. I guess I will need to look into YouTube moderation, but that's for the next time. Because I don't see any options here. It changed a few months ago. 1:46 p.m. here, eastern side of Venezuela. Oh, nice. So you're close to the Tupas, I guess. You can play on their server without much latency. Link posting rights. Okay. Oh boy, this is where we get to the hard problem. Not hard problem, but it's not a hard problem, it's just pain in the butt. Which is about how the game loads add-ons, and I looked into it a bit, did some testing, and Leon was into 2 and I have 376. Nice. That's unplayable for me. So for the most part we are correct, is that maybe I'll demonstrate this in MS Paint. So let's say we have add-on A, add-on B, add-on C. So let's say add-on A requires add-on B, and then maybe add-on C, maybe we have add-on B that requires add-on B, then maybe we have add-on E. So how the game loads it is that we start alphabetically, list of PBOs. The A is ignored because we don't have the B yet, so we load this B, and then we load the C, and then we load D because we already have B now, and then we load E, and then at the end we load A. So this is kind of important, is that as soon as we have B, we don't like jump back. No, no, no. Fuck. Can I make this larger? Ah. Nice. How do you... Does the numpad doesn't work? Nice, dude. So yeah, we just put the A at the end of the queue. So that's what we did when I was writing the script, and we are correct. That's nice, but that's not the whole story. Oh, no, no, no. That's just the beginning. Okay. So, Control plus. Oh my god. I should have remembered this from my high school. Well, high school. Primary school, even, I think. Or I can just use like normal programs like GIMP, but the problem with GIMP is that it takes like 10 minutes to load, and we don't have that much time. Okay, so the game actually loads official add-ons first, and that's because they are marked as preloaded. So we are interested in this class, and before loading any PBOs we need to read this from the config, and we need to save all this information. So what's important here is the property list. This class thing doesn't matter, it's just for your convenience. We just need to have all this stuff, and that marks all these CFG patches. These are not PBO names, these are CFG patches, and that marks them as priority, so they are loaded first. Which is what we need to do here. So I think I need to do like a global variable. Yo guys, I'm leaving. It was nice to meet you. Swear to Panos, I hope the scripting goes good. Thank you, bye. Have a good day. Or good night, I guess. Yeah, good night. No, wait, 1:46 PM. That's a good day. Okay. I'm thinking 1:46 in the middle of the night. Preload add-ons. Okay, so we need to read this stuff. Wait, can I actually have this class in the PBR file? Oh boy, I didn't check that. God, I hope not. Should we do this in this script or just here? Maybe we should do it just here. Okay, so we need to read CFG add-ons, and then it's called preload add-ons. I'm actually not sure what preload, well actually I don't know at all what preload banks is for, but it doesn't matter. What we really need is preload add-ons. Find list, lowercase list, like that. So like zero for each preload class. Plus 1 is going to be count subclasses. Okay, maybe we don't need to do all that stuff. Okay, we have Weapon B Studio, but that's not enough. Oh yeah. Nice. And now we need to access properties. Sort E. There we go. So maybe not, maybe like this, larger than 0. Select 0, that's gonna be our array. Boy, I hate constructing these loops. So that's our array. For each. These loops make you feel as if someone wrote loop around your neck. It's not that bad. It's more like you have to do unnecessary work when you shouldn't. Okay, so this is easy. So I just checked if the value doesn't exist in the array. The letter case probably doesn't matter, so we can just lowercase, which makes it easy to compare. Okay, so got it. These are all the preloads. For some reason, the preloads don't actually include all the 26 add-ons. I don't know why, but I just did that. It's weird. But what's even more weirder is that they have a typo and they never fixed it. So you have add-on abox PBO, but the CVG patches is called 6G30. And it's like, this error is 20 years in the making. Okay. Maybe one day they'll notice it. Kappa. Well, it doesn't matter actually, because the CFG patches class doesn't seem to matter that much. So it's like, okay, cool. So we have preload add-ons. That didn't take too much time. I like that. Okay. So we are reading add-ons, so now we need to read the add-ons in two passes, with the first pass doing the preloads and the second pass doing everything else. Oh, what if it has multiple patches? Oh no. I haven't tested that. Oh, I should. Oh, fuck. Face true. Hold on, what if you can't... Oh my god, what if you can't load a preload add-on because there's a dependency that's impossible to resolve? Oh no. Oh boy. Okay, let's just assume for now that everything works. The whole mountain of wishes makes me almost wishing that I never posted you about 3D editor. This is just the beginning, my friend. It's not even that complicated. So if this is preload phase, then if patch names are lowercase, so we can use in. No, maybe like this. What if a preload add-on requires a non-preload? Oh no. Oh boy. This is going to be interesting for sure. No, jump to the next config. So the preload phase, then preload phase false, and then we do everything all over again. Nice. Okay, I think we should be good. Okay, so what I want now is to have like extra argument. For showing chat. Okay. So that way we'll be able to follow what we are loading. Let's see. Yeah, no. And we are loading infinitely, which is not great. This is why. I need to remove this. So functions by. Oh, it's still giving me this. Okay, there we go. Oh, maybe we need some indication where the preload phase ended. So I'll just add a chat. Infinite others, yeah. No. Something's wrong here. Oh yeah, I probably need to do this. I'm assuming this is correct, but there are too many chats. Okay, let's see now. Still too much stuff. Bye-bye. This. Maybe it shouldn't be a hint, so that your ears don't explode. Okay, this is what I want. So we should be loading only preloads. No, this isn't right. No hand orchestra. Wow. No. Let's save our ears. Okay, let's see how this works. It's weird. Oh yeah, we need to have a copy of this array. Oh boy. Hello, Alex Mercer. Oh, I'm not showing code, nice. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I'm still loading this incorrectly. What's going on? Well, everything is false. What? Oh, because lowercase? Are we not lowercasing properly? What? Hold on a second. What the hell? Oh, these are in lowercase. But they should be, they're not? Okay, I guess that's an FWatch bug to fix. Jesus Christ. Well, hold on a second. Like, it's not in the. Wait, it's false, so. I shouldn't read this if it's false. Like, why? We can just go to the next patch. How much progress did you make? No response. Let's go. Don't use Gotos inside them. Why not? What's gonna happen, dude? Do you have any other response than bruh? Nuke will happen. Nice. How much progress did you made? Depends what you mean. Like, I'm still working on the script to read the add-on config, and it's going to take a while. Okay, so I should probably just do this. Can you make a game engine from scratch? No. But this will be 100 parts then. Yeah, probably. I mean, we can just work on this infinitely, so at some point I will have to cut it off. Can you make a scratch from a game? Ooh, I think we're reading correctly now. Actually, we're not. Let's try again. Not funny? What is not funny? Oh, Alex Mercer jokes aren't funny. I mean, yeah, it's true. Like, okay, so we need need to do the lowercase. Do you love Arma 3? That's a very personal question. I mean, it's kind of weird to use the word love here. I played Arma 3 and it's fine. It seems kind of heavy as a game, like there's a lot of stuff. It's just hard to notice enemy. And hard to shoot because there's recoil, but I guess that's part of the realism. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell if I'm like hitting the enemy or not. But the most important reason why I'm not playing Arma 3 is that I didn't see, at the time I was playing it, I didn't see any decent PvP servers. And there were decent PvP servers in Arma 1 and Arma 2, and I played it extensively. Like you had in Arma 2, I was playing missions with like 120 people. That's some decent battle. I don't even see that in Battlefield. Okay, what I was doing? Oh yeah, I need to go to the F-Watch page. Yeah, I'll play other games mostly, like Overwatch or Battlefield 4, or I played some Left 4 Dead 2 recently. Do you think Arma 3 is not smooth? What does smooth mean? Like, do you mean frame rate? Smooth like there is no gravity? You're using a very poetic language. Arma 3 PvP is great if you're playing one of those big modes via City of Clowns. Small scale, it can be interesting, but it's not suited to OFP style of arcade PvP. So why exactly? And something falls, not fall like reality. Where are you from, by the way? Oh, he's talking about physics. Mostly due to the animations, the inertia of the character realistically. Yeah. It's not as fast and smooth like OFP CTF. Yeah, that's true. It's OFP is kind of arcadey in that sense. It's more slow-paced, deliberate. That's not a bad thing. Hello, Lionel Garcia. Okay, again, we have too many chats. Okay. We are reading pre-rolls correctly, but then after the pre-rolls we are reading everything again. So we need to add some condition for that. So maybe like array preloaded. No, maybe differently. Maybe like this. Yeah, we are doing it correctly now. Yes! We are loading the preloads and then we are loading the rest. Awesome. So we got this. Okay. Well, that's not the first success because we fixed the bug earlier. Flying tanks are the symbol of the whole FPRO series. Flying tanks in Arma 3 prove my word about Arma 3 not smooth. I think you might want to use a different word than smooth. Maybe realistic, you mean? Or believable? Because this migration problem was forgotten because COVID. How to solve it now? Problem is in many also. I don't know what you mean. I mean, like, migrants are at the border or what? I don't know. What is the name of the programming language that Operation Flashpoint is using? It's called SQS. That's the internal scripting language. Well, there is a database. We are creating a database. We're saving data here. It's a mix of Python and C. No. Like, where is Python here, dude? I don't see Python here. You don't have... you still have to put semicolons and stuff. You don't have... That's what it says on the site? Really? On which site? Wiki? Bohemia Wiki, seriously? I think the Python existed in 2001, but I doubt Bohemia knew about it. It wasn't as widespread. Oh, I don't see anything here, dude. Okay. Right, so we solved that. Next. What happens if we have like PBOs with the same name or same CFG patches? So we need to handle that. Well, can you tell me what specifically is inspired by Python? Like specific element? Okay. Sure, I'll wait. Alright, so the CFG patches again doesn't matter really. if I have add-on A and add-on B, or to be specific, I mean PBO, and they create the same object, let's call it Z, and this one also has Z, so the one from B will override the A. So that's what we need to do. Oh yeah, and the access property is bugged, which I mentioned in earlier streams, except for the main config. So again, we need to handle that. Oh no, what a mess. They can be in the same mod folder, yes. When loading multiple mod files, the PBO from the last one takes precedence, but does game keep the others in memory? I don't think so. Okay. Well, I guess I can tell you already. I wanted to tell you after I implement this one. So, when you have mod folders, the game actually loads them in reverse, so starting from M3, and if they both contain the same PBO, then the ones from the other mod folders are just ignored, so these are not loaded. And again, this is something that we need to handle as well. Okay, so objects are updated. So if there is such a thing, then we need to update an object. How I'm going to do that exactly? Oh boy. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. So now you kind of need to detect which mod folder is primary, so to speak, read the mod line. I mean, I already have fwatch commands for it, that's not a problem. Like, obviously I have mod manager and it shows you which mods are loaded. But the problem is handling now the database here. This is a problem at the moment. So what do we do if there are duplicated entries? Oh boy, that's a hard problem. I think I'm gonna skip it for now. So I'm gonna jump to the thing with PBO. If a PBO already exists, then we just ignore it, all these second PBOs. Which means we need to have like a global class of PBOs. Maybe it's in the history. Maybe it was edited out. I mean, you can check history of edits and maybe it's just Mandela effect. Maybe. Okay, load this PBO. Oh wait, we already have that. Right? Yeah. We already have a list of PBOs. So now we just need to do this. Okay, that solves it. Oh, but the problem with the databases is a larger problem. Okay, I think we can't just split things into multiple files. I think we'll have to do that in like a single file, single array. Because I was thinking to split things into different add-ons. So like you can load some add-ons and then appropriate files will be loaded. But maybe we can't really do that. Maybe we need to treat the mod folder as a whole, so like a single database, but Yeah, this is something I'll need to think about. Are you Russian? No, I'm from Poland. What the hell are you doing? I'm making 3D mission editor for OFP, as she said. Right now I'm thinking about how to load objects from add-ons. So we kind of need to do all the same things that the game does, but because the game doesn't give us access to internal data, I need to do it myself. Okay, so this thing I'll skip for now. Maybe the access property I'll also skip. Game editor from scratch. No, just the mission editor from scratch. I basically have the same functionality as the original mission editor. I need to make CFG patches global. Currently the CFG patches are local. And I need to make them global because we can load more than one. Mod folder. Okay. I'm using the CFG patches. Why is he so fucking nervous? You mean me? I'm nervous? I don't feel nervous, dude. I mean, I'm honestly kind of frustrated with this stuff. I'm learning a new language called Java plus double A. Okay. In OFP floats are double? I don't think so, no. I think everything is a float. Okay, so... yeah, global COG patches. Okay, we've got global COG patches. That's nice. What else? Scope side string to number. Maybe this can wait, because I will need to check something about how the game works. If the vehicle class is empty, then we need to ignore the object. So we're just gonna do the same thing as the game does. I will make a game engine. Good luck, dude. That's a lot of work. 201 makes them double? I have no idea. Category. We don't actually use this anywhere, so... I can do this. And this. So you might remember there were some hidden objects on the civilian side, like a gas station or something. So now that we ignore the objects without category, they're not gonna appear. So we have the same behavior as the game now. Preprocess groups. Bye-bye hidden fuel station. Yeah. Nothing special about that station. Right. Who love Russian halva? I like halva mostly. Kinda. I like the sunflower halva, but it's rare to get it here in Poland. Also, it's super sweet, so I can't really eat much of it. It's basically dust with sugar. Okay, what do we need to do? Pre-process groups. Let's see. You are Poland, man. Yes, I am. Are you from Russia? I'm an Arab. Okay. So you're from the... He said he's from Dubai. Oh, sorry, I missed that. Way too big buildings. Oh, that's what I saw on the photos. Probably not every building is super big. I can imagine it's probably too hot there. Pre-processing groups. Maybe I can just do this here. So I'm gonna need side. I'm gonna need category like this, and then let's call it groups 2 because I have no imagination. And then we go through now. We have to construct a normal loop for each object. Do you love Arabs? What kind of question is that? I mean, do you love humans? Okay, I found out you can choose 6 numbers in one variable. 0, then count this. You mean 6 digits? Counts as 6 numbers? I don't know what you mean, dude. Come visit us. We have sexy women. Well, that's cool, but I don't like places that are too warm. Also, I don't have shit ton of money. Okay, how do we pre-process it? We need to have like different sides. So like this. What was the order of the sides? I don't remember. There it is. And then inside we have, it's gonna be west, east, good. And then inside we're gonna have number of objects for each category. Okay, so like this. Because we need to process this multiple times. Go like this. Wait, what was the? Okay, so no, that's silly. We need to do a single pass actually. Then we're gonna fill this information later. I'm working now on a dynamic mission for finding an OFP core using simple codes. Nice, good luck. Sorry if my English is bad because I'm not a native speaker. Yes, we're not native speaker as well. We are all learning. And you'll get better with time. Okay, so I need to make this a bit different. Something for each. Oh god, I hate this. I wish I had just had index like in Arma. We need to set, no, not set, so like select E, size. I hope it won't crash the game or anything. Number of groups. So like this. Now we go through every object and we need to make a count. Side index. I'm really enjoying your working on this live video, and also the background music is very beautiful. Thank you. What's going on? Kevin MacLeod. MacLeod! Jeez, what I was doing. I need to have the find function. So like this. We need to have index of the side. It's gonna be like this. This. Category index. So that's gonna be groups and category. Oh, maybe actually I can just do this. Right. So now we can finally fill the information. Select side. Set category index. Okay. +1. And then if it's not a soldier, do we need to do this? Do we need to add it if it's not a soldier? Probably we do. So like wait, we don't need to have side because we already have side index. That's silly. I'm not thinking. Nice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select 5. Okay, so what I'm doing now is doing a little bit of pre-processing. So I'm calculating how many objects there are in total for each side, for each category. So I don't have to do that later. I have this information already calculated when I use the mission editor script. So I think this should be good. Let's find out. Oh no. Yeah, I haven't put 0 there. So I'm trying to increment a null value. I need to first put 0 before I can increase it. Shit. I guess we'll have to use a while loop. Am I doing this correctly? So like A, so this, and then we add a new 0. Okay, we should be good. Yay, we got this. Nice. Hello, E7. How's it going? We probably should save this array somewhere. Could have been worse. Okay, so I can save this, but where do I save this? That's a question. I think this should be good. Let's see. So you're ready? Oh, you're home. Nice. You finished kind of late. 9. Okay, so we got this information saved. Now let's use it in game and see what happens. We don't need to load this stuff. Goodbye. We load everything here. We go here. Where is it? Groups. Okay, so if you remember correctly, the menu for each side had all the vehicle categories. And now it's not gonna have all the categories, it's gonna have categories that have something. Because I have pre-calculated it. So currently you can pick a category and there are no objects there. Because I don't want to calculate this information every time. That's why I did pre-processing just now. So now I can add a condition to add a category to the list only if it's not empty. Select, need to select the current side. This is the side. And select E, right? And then if it's more than 0, then we add it. Yeah, I'm calculating this on the fly. I think I need to do this. Oh well. I'll just see how it works. So what has been achieved today? I'm slowly improving the script for reading add-ons. Yay, so only the categories that are available. There should be like objects. No. This is wrong. What is man doing? Zero, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's 0. If it's 0, then why did it add it? That's what I need to do. Watch out. So how do you focus on writing your script for FP without revising commands? I'm curious. When you use the same commands over and over, you remember them, you memorize them, more or less. I mean, I don't know, what's the word for it? Inadvertently? Involuntarily. There are things that I individually understand, but hard to present and explain to some people. Feeling of making jokes, or if it's something that makes me stray away from moving. I'm not sure what do you mean exactly. What do you have issue with exactly? Car 5, armored. 27. Oops. Did I mess something up? Of course I did. Nice. Oh, we removed the sides something? That's weird. That's not a good thing. Car 5 objects, armored 8, man 27, R8 support 4. Okay, we're good. Object 61, okay. Car 24, armored 20, R15, support 12, ammo 14. Looks fine, except it couldn't find an object in the beginning. Okay, unfortunately I have to end the stream. So, oh Jesus Christ. So what we did today, we fixed a bug with loading data with the arrays. Yep, so that's nice. And then we made CFG patches global in case we're reading multiple stuff, multiple mod folders. We made source of the object from number to a string. We are not using objects that have empty category. And we are preloading. We are preloading the add-ons that should be preloaded. And then we are ignoring the identical PBOs. Okay, so all small stuff, but needed to be done. So thank you for coming, and see you tomorrow at the same time, where we continue to improve, continue to do small stuff. Thanks, and good night.